Testing, testing. Let's do some skincare. So first we are going in with our cleanser. This is the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser. Absolutely love this cleanser. I usually use a cleansing balm before I do my cleanser, but I couldn't find it and I really wanted to get this makeup off my face. So I go in one time and clean it, you know, with the cleanser, and then I wipe it off with a paper towel, and then I go in for a second time with the cleanser again, but then this time I wipe it off with actual like cloth towel. I absolutely love this cleanser. This and the Tatcha rice wash are my favorite cleansers. I just feel like it really cleans my skin and it gets all the extra oil and the dirt and all that. It just leaves my skin so clean, and it might feel dry, but it's not that it's dry, it's that it's clean. Okay, that's the thing. People be like, oh my god, it leaves my skin dry. Your skin is clean. You don't want to feel oily after you cleanse. Like, that's just unrealistic. Like, what? Okay, so anyways, after we wipe that off, let's take a time to look at the skin. Look at that. Look at that. The skin is given with just a wash, no product. Now I'm going to my 2% BHA liquid exfoliant from Paula's Choice, and we're going to pat that in so it can speed up that process of penetrating in the skin and getting beneath the level so we don't have all them crazy breakouts and buildups and stuff like that. Absolutely love this. I've been using this for like 2 years, and it's one of my favorite products when it comes to breakouts. And then after I get done with all that, let that sit, I go in with my hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I ain't really feeling this one no more. I think maybe I got a bad one. I'm not sure, but I am looking to look at some new hyaluronic acids and see like what exactly is out there. So if you have some hyaluronic acids that you like, let me know, because I'm about to retire her ASAP. We breaking up. She no longer serves the purpose of this relationship that we've been in, and baby, I ain't trying to do it no more. But you see the skin, it is plump, it is firm, it is doing what it needs to do. Yes, baby, look at that. I'm just in love with my skin. I'm admiring my skin, literally. So, story time. My tube thing was broken in my niacinamide dewdrops, and I did get a little bit out, but then I went back and got some more. I like this one better than I like the Hue Drops. I feel like the Hue Drops is just really thicker, and it just, I don't know, it was sticky to me. But this is my girl. Like, this is my go-to. I've been using her for a minute, a very long time as well. Now it's time for our moisturizer, and you know we got to be bougie with the Tatcha rice cream. Love this stuff, the dewy cream, whatever you want to call it. I have really dry skin, and this has always been one of my go-tos for to get my skin hydrated and moisturized. Absolutely love it. And now I've been actually trying to incorporate using a face oil. This is from Good Molecules, just to see exactly how my skin reacts to a face oil and what it does for me. I'm not really sure. I'm not really seeing any real benefits, but then again, I've only used it probably like 3 or 4 times, so hopefully within like the next like month or so we can see if this girl is going to be like part of the skincare routine, or if she gonna stay where she at. Now this beauty that we coming up on is my lip oil from, is it Jisoo? I've been trying to track her down because she's been sold out, but we got our hands on her, and you see the skin is glistening. It is looking good. I am looking good, baby. It's time for bed. Good freaking night. Mwah.